Here's the question. What's the best way to report a LinkedIn member? I'm going to show you the two different places that will be useful to report LinkedIn members and messaging in this video. So if you get messaging from somebody and you want to report that person, then you can't do it from the messaging. You may want to report that member, but all you can do really from here is report the block Teddy, I don't know Teddy, is spam or scam, inappropriate, harassment, etc. This is going to regarding the conversation is what this report functionality is from. Again, from the message, the three dots, this is reporting is regarding the conversation. If you want to report the person overall, this is what I recommend you do. Go to the person's LinkedIn profile, click on More, and then click Report Block. Because from here, you can report the profile, the engagement, and post, comment, or message, and then you can block the person. When you go to report the profile, look at the options that you have here. Report profile, profile information, spam, suspicious, fake, harassment, violence, adult, intellectual, etc., etc. I often go to report suspicious, spam, or fake, and then I choose fake, and then I hit submit. After you hit submit, it'll come up and ask you if you want to block that person, and then you can select block, and then you can submit again. Let me repeat. The best way to report a LinkedIn member is from their profile, More, Report, Block, and pick the most appropriate way to block them to report them from here. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.